Imagine yourself in this 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4 doors, 4WD type, part-time, 5.7-liter V8 engine, alloy wheels, auxiliary input, bed length, 75.9, climate control with air conditioning, clock, in-radio display, compass and cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.